Alright guys, so today we're going to be changing my side mirror on the passenger side. Reason being is because I once parked my car in the downtown area in a very busy parking garage because that's where I worked, and when I had gotten back from work I had noticed that my mirror was gone, and I looked all around me and it wasn't anywhere to be found, so no one hit it. So when I took a closer look at my mirror, I actually saw that someone had actually probably pulled it out. So I went to the dealership and I got a quote to see how much they could fix it for, and it was $250 just for the labor. So I actually ordered my mirror for about 60 bucks online, picked up another couple tools needed, and very cheap, and the assembly was actually very easy, so I figured I'd do it myself. So all you'll need for this install is a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, an auto trim removal kit, a socket set, and a long magnet stick. Okay, so for this particular model, the 2018 WRX, the side mirror is actually attached to the door panel itself. So we're actually gonna have to take this baby off just to access the mirror itself. There's actually going to be two screws. One's going to be right here in the armrest and the other one's going to be right over here. Okay, so first we're just gonna take the flathead, take out that little flap, and there is a screw right there that we need to take out. Alright, now it's time to take the door panel off with the auto trim removal kit. Can't get out one of these, so there's going to be clips all along down here. So I'm just gonna start right around here because the door panel, it's like curves in. So I'm gonna try going in from here and see if I can pop those clips out. I think I got all of them. There you go. Alright, door panel's off. Now I'm gonna try to shimmy it up and out. So the first thing you're gonna see is your car covered with all this black stuff. But this is what we should be looking at over here. This seems to be the mirror clip, and there should be a little plug. Oh, got it. Now we should take off some of this sticky stuff. Oh wow, it's really sticky. We gotta take this off so we can access the bolts of what's actually holding our mirror. There should be two little holes right here. There's going to be two bolts in this one, and there's gonna be one bolt in here. So to take off these little screws right here, I picked up this little guy right here, and then I also got an extendo and a 10mm. Okay, this is just a quick lesson on these wrenches right here. So a lot of people think that when they hear this clicking noise that the wrench is doing something. Well, that's actually not the case at all. It goes like, makes this sound so you can go back, and that's when the wrench does something, when you don't hear a noise. So we've all heard the saying, righty tighty lefty loosey, right? So since this wrench is going to the right, that means it must be tightening it, right? Glad you were paying attention. No. So if it's set to right, that means we're gonna go back to a left motion, which means it's set to loosen. So with that being said, let's loosen these. Did you hear that? Oh no. I'm trying to catch the screw by hand just to see if it works. It fell too. Alright, I'm not too worried though because I picked this up right here. It's called the Flexible Magnetic Grabber Picker Up Tool. So I'm just gonna shimmy it down the door panel and it should come right back up, but let's see if it works. Yeah. There you go. It found a little screw. This one I was just able to pick up like this. Hello?
Go outside.
Okay, the sun's actually starting to go down, so we only have about, I would say 15 more minutes to get this done, so let's get this show on the road. Okay, so now I'm actually so excited because it's finally time to shimmy it out. Yeah! No more busted window! Right, so here's this new one that I ordered for 60 bucks. Oops, there you are. The same clip. Super exciting. Let's put her back in.
Can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you. Can I help it if I dream of you? If I dream of you, dream of you. Can I help it if I dream of you every night? I know I dream of you.
Okay, so what I'm pretty much trying to do is shimmy it in a way where I can catch the wire on the other side. Alright, so it's pretty wobbly on the other side, so let's get these screws on fast. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to clip this baby in. There you go. Perfect fit. So, like we have learned, the screwdriver is going to the right, which means it was actually set to loosen. So now we just have to switch this to the other side, so now it's set to tighten. You just take the bolts and then take the screw, place it right on top of here, and then stick this back into the hole and start clicking. Alright, now that that thing's on there, I kept dropping my screws and my bolt, and this thing, lifesaver. So now all we have to do really is just put the sticky tape back on and then get the door back on, and bro, first of all, check that out. I have a mirror.
Stay dripped to the feet, night ticks on fleet. Fuck with it, fuck me, fuck shorty, fall free. Ain't no killers, I'm just killing all these beats. Ain't no killers, I'm just killing all these beats. Stay dripped to the feet, night ticks on fleet. Fuck with it, fuck me, fuck shorty, fall free.
I'm a little one, so I gotta use my knee. But we're done here. And actually, we're not done here. Do not forget about the screws, the first two original ones that we put in. So it is getting dark now, so I gotta use my phone light.
Back, hit him in the neck. That's my big bra, big strap. I don't hold a tech. Yeah, big shit, big boss. I'm just cutting checks. Yeah, fat bitch, Rick Ross size.
Alright guys, now check that out. We got the whole door right back on. And we got ourselves a brand new spanking mirror. Wow. Okay, so the real test is, now that we have it on, if I move this lever to the right mirror to my passenger side and I squiggle it around, will my mirror move? So let's test it out. Okay, let's see if it goes to the right. Oh, no way. This baby moves. This baby really moves. Oh my gosh, the power of the mirror clip. So check these out. They don't exactly quite match. You know, they're like kind of like yin and yang right now, but hey, I'm just happy I have a mirror. I was actually thinking of switching to the carbon fiber backs of it anyways, so let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. The sun has practically set. Where I live, it's 8:48. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope I did a good job at teaching you guys step by step. Again, this is my first YouTube video ever, so I really hope you guys liked it, and I can't wait to say this, but like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.